southeastern Callaway County, Kentucky until 1:15 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Murray to near Paris, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hazel, Crossland, and New Concord. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following county: Callaway, Kentucky. Here are some new purchase areas.